In today's class, we'll talk about directed writing, and we have to be careful while going through this particular topic. First of all, there should not be any kind of spelling mistake or any kind of grammatical error. Construction of sentence should be proper, so we have to be very careful of these things. First of all, and secondarily, handwriting should be kept proper, so it can easily be checked by the examiner. So in this video we will make detail of this very topic, so go through this one and make full use of this one. Do write those things down which are going to be displayed. Okay, so go through this. So here it starts. It comes in question number 2a. Directed writing, you may get it in different forms: article writing, book review, film review, review of cultural program, speech writing, report writing, personal profile, and statement of purpose based on suggested points. It will be of 20 marks. So many topics we have to go through. Question number 2. There are two parts in the question, and it is emphasized both parts are compulsory. The piece of directed writing will be based on the information and ideas provided. The required length will be about 300 words. The range of subject may include the range of subjects may include writing, article writing, book review, film review, review of cultural programs, speech writing, report writing, personal profile, and statement of purpose. Skills such as selecting, amplifying, describing, presenting reasoned arguments, rearranging, and restating may be involved. The candidate's ability in the above skill, including format, will be taken into account, as well as their ability to handle language appropriately in the context of the given situation. Basic thing that always we have to follow, that we should not commit any spelling mistake or grammatical error. Construction of sentence should be simple and proper. We should not try to do something extraordinary. And in this particular class, in class 11, we cannot follow the methods that we followed in class 10. We cannot take it so easily. Instead, we'll take it seriously. And what we need to do, we need severe practice of each topic. We have to at least practice 4 to 5 topics from each section. Then we'll have the perfection. And now we're going to go through the formal process. One formal text is there that we have to read once. We have to go through that one. Okay, the directed writing task requires student to produce a piece of writing in which they present their own views. That means there should not be plot lifting in a particular form. They need to show they can control a style of writing and write engagingly and purposefully. The writing is centrally about a language topic, and so demonstrating knowledge subject knowledge is vital. The topic of language diversity, the additional language change at A level, is a good idea for student writing, as this is a topic which generates strongly held views of public figures. Student can show that they can deconstruct others' arguments. So, fully watch in views full screen this one to go through the written part. This is the formal procedure that you should know once. Now, as it is provided, then an article is a piece of writing on which particular topic intent for publication in a newspaper, magazine, or journal. So first we'll talk about article writing. It describes an experience, event, person, or a place, present an opinion or balanced argument, compares and contrast, provide information, and offer suggestion or advice. It may include amusing stories, reported speeches, and description. It can be formal or informal, depending on the target readers. It is written in less formal style than a report, since it is written for wide readership. It has to be informative and thought provoking to attract the attention of the reader. Do write down these points also, which are mentioned here. Directed writing in ICSE is basically a guided composition, as points are already enumerated with the questions, as so you'll get the points as well. Skills such as selection, amplification, description, presentation of ideas, rearrangement, and restatement and are evaluated. You need to be objective, precise, and brief in your writing. You are also required to present the appropriate writing to given situation. In certain cases, prescribed format needs to be allowed. Following types of question can be asked in the directed question. The question I am going to present next. Now before that, be careful. Whatever you are going to write, it should not be copy of anything else. So there should not be any plot lifting. That means you will not write something that you have read in any books or anywhere else. It should be your own, your personal creation. Number 1, article writing, written work, propagating news. Number 2A, newspaper report, robbery, calamity, disaster, accidents, event, surveys, statistical reports, school reports, that comes in B, cultural activities, sports, annual function, literary activity, travelogue, city visit, country visit, tourist destination, book and movie reviews, review of theatre, concert, TV program, speeches, assembly speeches, farewell speech, annual other function speech, testimonial by school principal, by teacher, by superior at job or employment. And further we have curriculum vitae, and we have personal profile, resume, personal file, and letter for job application, police report, that is FIR or witness report, and statement of purpose. So it will help us to learn all the things related to our real life. So this is not only for 20 marks, but we learn for our entire life. This is very, very important. And what will do in this next classes? We will have 9 division and further subdivision. From each subdivision, we will try to write at least 2 topics, 2 essays. So our writing will be proper. Now here one topic is provided, that is not notice writing, it is a film review. It is also given in your book, so you don't have to take screenshot, you neither have to write this one down. You can get in your book. It is added here so that we can see. Cast: Vinita Das, Vishnu Kalita, Balaram Das, Manavendra Das, Basanti Das, Rinku Das. Director Rima Das. Rockstar directed by Rima Das is a tale of hope and resilience. The story is set in a remote village in Assam and revolves around Dhunu Bhutia Das, a young girl who loves to climb the tree, go fishing with the boys, and flaunt her thermocol guitar when she is not helping her widow mother with her family. She wishes to own a real guitar someday and works towards it by collecting money that she earns by climbing trees and fetching fruits and betel leaves for the village folks. Now, you will not get anything real movie, but the outline will be provided for this one. This is the first part. Further, we'll go through the other parts. Thank you.